Start by shutting off the power to the kitchen at the panel and shutting the water valve under the sink. This is an excellent time to replace your hoses. You can get a complete set of everything you need by following the link in the description below. Water inlet design of dishwashers varies, and the connections will require a 3/8 inch MIP or a 3/4 inch hose thread elbow. Use the appropriate type from the supply adapter included in the installation kit. Next, connect the supply line to the elbow with a crescent wrench to tighten the line onto the breast elbow. Thread the elbow nut onto the dishwasher's plastic inlet, being very careful not to cross-thread the connection. Using large pliers, tighten the elbow onto the inlet. Most dishwashers come with the drain line already attached, but if you need an extension, you can always reuse the existing one or check the description for a replacement. Feed both the water line and the disposal hose through the respective cabinet holes. If you have an exposed cut edge on the cabinet trim, make sure to seal them with a clear or color mesh silicone caulk to prevent moisture from absorbing and damaging the cabinets. After that, slide the machine in, being careful to conceal all of the sound dampening cover on the sides. If you need to level the machine, use the threaded feet on the bottom. Open the dishwasher door and secure it to the cabinets with the loops on top. Or you may have an additional mounting hardware that goes on the sides. Check your instruction manual for your dishwasher. With the machine leveled and secured in place, remove the front cover panel and the lid that covers the electric box, exposing your new dishwasher wiring. There is no wire clamp on this new dishwasher to secure all the electrical components, as there was on the old one. We can actually reuse the clamp from the old dishwasher to ensure that the electrical wires are secured and will not move at all. If you don't have a clamp on either one, please see the description below. Now thread your wire through this bracket. Secure a ground wire by wrapping it around the green screw on the panel. Then connect the remaining wires black to black and white to white using end wire wings caps to keep the wires from becoming loose. Tuck those away and then replace the box cover and tighten the screw. You should also make certain that the electrical wire clamped in the back is tightened as well. With the electrical hooked up, move on to connecting the water lines by adding 4 to 5 loops of Teflon tape to the threads of the shutoff valves in the clockwise direction. Tighten the line by hand as much as you can and then tighten it with a wrench. Slowly turn on the water and check for leaks at the valve and at the dishwasher water line connection. Next, secure the dishwasher drain line to the P-trap with this clamp, or in our case to our garbage disposal, which we will install in the following video. Run a short machine cycle to test the drain line for leaks. If no leaks are found, install the bottom cover to complete the installation. Remember, your support and engagement means the world to us. We appreciate every comment, like, and share as they help us grow and continue to provide this helpful content. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. Please leave your feedback or questions in the comments below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be there for the next one. If you want to see more of our renovation, here are the videos you should watch next. Take care of yourself, your family, and have a great day.